Introducing the BlackVue DR590X series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dashcam. The quality you've come to expect from a BlackVue dashcam in a connected, compact design. Equipped with a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the DR590X captures clear footage even in the darkest of situations. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080 resolution, while the single channel model is capable of recording up to 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical fast-moving moments. Connecting your dashcam is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to use the BlackVue app to customize your settings and download videos right to your smartphone. The optional connectivity module unlocks BlackVue Cloud Lite for your dashcam. You'll be able to enjoy the added benefit of push notifications and remote access without needing an additional data plan. And the built-in voltage monitoring ensures that your dashcam stays powered without draining your vehicle's battery. BlackVue DR590X series. High-quality dashcam simplified.
Introducing the stunning, advanced Rexing V1P Pro dash camera. It's the first to market dual full HD innovative recording solution. Both front and rear cameras record in full 1080p HD with single channel recording of up to 4K resolution. Wide dynamic range allows for visual clarity in all types of light and conditions, and the 170-degree ultra-wide angle lenses gives you the power to see everything that's happening around your vehicle. The V1P Pro is equipped with a gravity sensor that automatically detects impacts and starts recording immediately. This emergency footage is then locked, so you can use it later as evidence. It's the latest innovation in peace of mind. And we didn't stop there. The Rexing V1P Pro dash camera also includes a built-in GPS system, allowing you to log time and date, location, and speed information for all your recordings without the use of another external GPS. The Rexing Connect app links your mobile device to the dash cam, so you can view, save, and share footage instantly at any time. Powered by a supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme heat and cold, which ensures more uptime and reliability in any climate.
Are you tired of having to choose between protecting the interior or the exterior of your vehicle? Introducing BlackVue DR750X-3 Plus. Now with front, rear, and interior video protection, giving your car the total coverage that it deserves. The front and rear cameras feature full HD Sony Starvis sensors, providing ultimate video quality in any condition, while the interior-facing camera uses infrared LEDs to capture clear footage even in complete darkness. Also available with our driver monitoring camera to keep you safe while driving. And for those times when you're away, you can hardwire your BlackVue to enjoy the benefits of parking mode, while built-in voltage monitoring prevents the draining of your vehicle's battery. With BlackVue Cloud, you'll stay connected to your car at all times, receiving push notifications in the event of an impact, while event videos are instantly uploaded to the cloud for safekeeping. BlackVue DR750X 3 Channel Plus. total dashcam protection for your vehicle.